everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this is gonna be a very quick video because I'm kind of in a rush and I really wanted to record this for you guys. Today is Friday. It is about, I think, 2 o'clock, and I just left from Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to come and show you guys this and let you guys know that they are having a blowout sale on their Paper Studio and what was the other brand? Stampabilities. Both of those, they are having a blowout sale, you guys. So that's 50% off of anything in the store that has the word Paper Studio on it or Stampabilities. Well, mainly in the craft section. So me and my YT sister, 504 Pretty Things, I'm sure you guys know of her. She does have a channel. You can check her out. I'll link her down below, as well as on Instagram. When I post my picture, I'll tag her. So she hit me up yesterday or last night, and she was like, girl, they got some new washi at Hobby Lobby. And she sent me the picture, and you guys know we all go crazy over the girl, where's my picture? We all go crazy over the like girl, you know, pictures that they've been posting. Like, this was the last time I went to Hobby Lobby. I got this sticker book. They didn't have any of these today, but yeah, I had got this. So I'm talking about like these like planner girls or whatever. So when she sent me the picture, I was like, oh, I want to go find one of those rolls. You guys, with the blowout, I didn't even really know that there was a blowout sale till I got to the store. So she did tell me that some of it was, when she told me that it was on sale, I kind of thought it was just the washi tape, but it was actually everything that said Paper Studio. So anyways, making a long story short, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought some stuff. And I want to put this video up because, you guys, the sale is over tomorrow. So once you see this, get to your Hobby Lobby, or I don't know if it's online, but I do know you need to go to the store. Okay, so look at this, and this is Paper Studio. This is the $19.99 roll. So these came up as $10. Look at that. It says Big Plans. This one has all the girls' faces. Then you got all your like planner goodies, coffee, glasses, pens. This one is I Sweat Glitter. So kind of like a workout. Then you got your lipstick, and then you got your girls that are different ones. She's drinking her water, she's getting ready for bed. Then you got her, and there, I'm sure there's some more in there. Then you got this one that says Beauty Sleep with eyelashes. This one is so cute too with the coffee. This one is all of the clothing, couture. I speak couture, and then it's clothes and shoes. Get it, girl. This one down here says Messy Bun, Getting Stuff Done. And then it has faces of the girls. Then you got makeup, eyeshadows, and all of that. And then you got these 2 skinny rolls in between. I don't know if that's 2 rolls or 1, but it's gold, and then the bottom part looks like marble. And then this bottom one right here is like more like relaxing or beach themed type of tape. So how cute is that? That is super cute, and it goes perfect with this book. So then I also picked up, I saw another one that had the girls in it, and it says Stand Firm in Your Faith. And then it just has, but first, what does that say? But first pray, right here. Then you have this one with the gold foil, rose gold foil, some flowers. This is the day that the Lord has made, on this little pink one right here, some flowers, and then there's the girls again. But these are the different girls that was on the older set of washi tape that they had. Still cute. Then you got crosses, that one, and then this one. What does it say? Be still in your faith and know that I am, what does that say? That I am God. It's really light, so I couldn't read it. And then look at her. Even the hairs of your head are all numbered. Forward all problems to God. So this set is really, really, really cute as well. I really like that one. So I got that. And then I am in the process of doing Pooh Bear's I don't want to call it a baby book. It's like as the kids start getting older, and I'm taking pictures, millions of pictures with my cell phone or with my camera, and I guess it would be called, not a junk journal, no, and it's not a photo album, because when I put a picture in there, like it might be him at school, and then I'll write something on it like, today you had a good day at school. Like I just kind of make like this big journal book or something that I found a book at Michael's. So anyways, I picked up this one to decorate in that book for him, and this was, I've never seen one like this before, and it's all like kid themed to me. So you have the little sports cars, this one that says Pow, Wham, and then you got some video games and a Rubik's Cube, some planets, and then you got dinosaurs, and that, and then some cassette tapes at the bottom. And this was just really kind of like little boy themed to me, sort of. So that's why I bought that to decorate my baby's book. Then I got this set, and they had a lot of different stuff. I know I took some pictures I'll put at the end of this video. But then I got this one. It has the rose gold all over it. So it's diamonds, that pattern, some glasses, the tips of mascara wands, some lips, some eyelashes, and then like a bikini set right here. And yeah, so this one was $14.99, so half off of that. And then the only other two washis that I got were these, and these were $4.99, half off. And it's just your lips and some rose gold foil lipstick, some eyelashes, and some sunglasses. So I got those. Then they had this ribbon, and I just picked up a little roll of this ribbon with the girls on it. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I did grab this, and it was 99 cents, so I got it for 50 cents. This is some mini craft sacks. It says Glam Girl, and these were half off, $2.99. And these are what you get in here, and it's just some cute little sacks that you can add onto your crafts or whatever, and put like little stickers or washi tape samples or whatever in there. And I just thought these were cute. I like that one. It says Lady Boss, and those are the bags that you get in here, and you get 20 bags. So that, got the matching pins, some flamingos, some eyelashes, black and white polka dot, and then these kind of little patterns right here. And these are just black ink, and those were also half off. Everything I picked up was half off. So then I picked up these gemstones. I just thought these would be kind of cute to go on some crafts. And those are stickers, but they're kind of hard, like enamel. Those were the llamas, and then here's some makeup ones. I got these stickers, and I have a recipe book that I have, and I have another one that I need to transfer all my stuff in. So when I transfer it, I just thought these would be cute to kind of add in my recipe book for the kids. Let's see, then I got these. You can't beat these stickers being like $1, because $2.50, so they're $1.25. Very cute. These are really sparkly. I did get this to go inside of my planner, just some sticky notes or whatever, and I picked this one. There was another one I was contemplating about getting, but I didn't, and I just picked up that one because of her face. Then I got these Plan All Day puffy stickers. I am very busy, get to work. They got little planners. And this one is for budgeting bills. Those down here, it shows like electricity, home, phone, payday, all of that. And those were $1.25 as well. And then the last two things that I got, I did pick up this 8x8 album. Not even sure what I'm going to do with this thing. It's the girl with coffee, and it does tie on the end right there with the ribbon. And I believe on the inside it's just plain white paper. Actually, let's open it up. So let's see. I just really like the cover, and it was $5.99, so I got it. Yeah, it's just plain white paper. So I can just do whatever I want. I might even just put like, I don't know, something to do with my washi tape or whatever. And this feels like canvas. Is really, really cute. So to get this for like almost $3, that is not bad. And then the last thing I picked up was a storage zip around planner case, and this one was $29.99, so it was $15. They had other patterns, but this was the one that I wanted to get. And as you guys probably can tell, I'm really rushing right now because I need to leave real quick to go do something, but I want to make sure I record this so I can get it up for you guys today. So on the inside, it does have this pocket right here, and then on this side you get zipper pouches. There's 1, 2, and then a bigger one, and then back here you have slots for pens and stuff like that, and then you just set your planner in there and you can zip it up and take it on the go. And I really like that pattern, so for 15 bucks I figured why not. So that is it. That is all that I got today. That's enough. So I just, like I said, wanted to come and share with you. So hopefully you guys make it to the sale. I did not check online. Make sure you check online, see if it works online too. I don't know. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Happy shopping, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.